Hey guys, Misty again. Whether you have a work at home or a online marketing business or even a primary physical business, you need traffic. You need leads. Without this, you can't do anything with your business. So I wanted to show you a new push button system that has just launched. It's called Lead Lightning. You can use it to create a frenzy of buyers, build your list, create sales exposure to your primary business, and so much more. If you haven't seen it, you need to check it out. You won't be sorry you did.